Are you planning a trip to the historic city of Rome, but you want to make sure you choose the right hotel for you?
This is Jen and Ryan from Everest Travels, and today we'll be looking at the Republic Hotel, diving into everything from the atmosphere, quality of rooms, the location, dining, amenities, and more.
Plus, stick around to find out how much we paid for our stay at the Republic Hotel.
Before we begin, if you find this video helpful in making your decision or planning your upcoming vacation, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more European travel videos.
Nestled in the heart of Rome, the Republic Hotel offers a modern retreat with a touch of Italian elegance, giving you a front row seat to experience the history and culture of the city. Most major attractions are a short 10 to 20 minute drive away, but when in Rome, walk wherever you can. There's history on every street, and you'll be surprised at what you'll discover. For reference, the Colosseum is only a 30-minute walk from the Republic Hotel. The Spanish Steps is about 25 minutes away, Trevi Fountain, a 24-minute walk, and the Termini Station it's right down the street, only 6 minutes away, offering you many public transportation options to get throughout the city if you're not feeling up to that walk. And just outside the hotel, too, there are a couple of mini markets giving you a convenient location to pick up some essentials like extra snacks and drinks to bring back to your room. Plus, there's a handful of authentic Italian restaurants steps from your door.
We booked a superior room during our stay. Let's have a look at it. Hey, come on in.
Right, this is the Republic Hotel in Rome, steps from Termini Station.
So when you first enter this room, you're welcomed by a cute little closet.
So you have a top row, some places to hang your coats and nice clothes, place to sit down and put your boots on or put your luggage. We've got this safety deposit box. And then some information on laundry.
And then right underneath is a drawer, which is awesome for, any little extra stuff you bring.
Very convenient. And I noticed right behind you is my favorite part of the room.
Stop.
No, it is.
My favorite part of the room.
A full-length mirror. So you can check out your fit before you go out on the town for the day.
It is a small space, so I kind of like the fact that they were able to use all aspects of the room.
You need to put your key card into this holder to turn the electricity on and to control the thermostat. There's a little bit of a coffee station here. We've got your coffee, some teas, a kettle, some glasses, some wine. Of course, you're in Rome.
Underneath is a mini fridge.
Oh, and it's got some stuff in here already.
Okay.
I'm guessing at an additional charge. We'll check the prices before we dive in. Here they are right here.
There we go.
Beer is €6 and some wine is €8. It's a smoke-free hotel, which I really like. If you smoke in here, you will get fined.
Oh, exactly. And I guess this would be like the desk area as well, which is nice. It's, again, a compact little space. It's cool. I like it.
This is a 2-bedroom room. So we have this little fun green bed, which I think doubles as like a sofa if you don't need 2 beds. It's got some nice pillows.
Yeah.
Feels comfy.
Yeah.
Do you think you'll have a good time?
Yeah.
Now, this is our bed. Again, it looks really clean, really modern. Next to each bed, there's a little nightstand area.
Your well-being is a comfort to us. We got some tissues. Turn that on, and then that turns off the main light, so that's nice. You've even got your USB and your USB-C cords to charge your electronics at night. So let's check out the TV.
As you know, we are big TV watchers, even on vacation. We don't mind, so let's see what's going on. See how the TV works. Is it good? What are the channels like?
Here we go. Does it work? It's turning on.
It's a little slow to turn on, but it will.
We think.
Eventually.
Let's start TV.
Whoa, okay.
Turn around. All right.
It works.
It works.
It works, just not the way we thought it would.
It works.
Oh, I dropped it.
All right.
Oh, this was shocking. I've seen a ghost.
I feel like I saw a ghost.
Okay.
Wait, was that House of Gucci?
I think so. We're in Italy, so it's got to be House of Gucci.
It makes the total sense.
Over here we had our notepad, we had our phone, and a customer satisfaction survey. Checking out this room, which I think is the bathroom.
Wow. Look.
So we've got a big sink here.
This is a very large sink. Let me turn on the lights.
The botanist and the chemist, that looks like some good quality hand cream and soap. We've got our shower cap, a nice mirror. It kind of looks like it's a
it looks
like a lighted
something
mirror, but
here. We'll figure it out.
We'll dive into that later.
Yeah. And right underneath the sink are extra towels.
A nice shower over
A nice
here.
shower. You want to see?
We got our rainfall shower, some more of the botanist and the chemist over here, and it looks clean. No calcium buildup. No, you know what? There's kind of some dirt on the floor there. I might have to rinse the shower out before we go in there.
Using it. But you know what? Because it's so modern looking, it looks clean. You know what I mean?
I'm taller than this thing.
Yeah, I don't think that's a sink, Parker. I don't think you should be washing your hands in that.
We'll tell you what it's for, but first,
let's go over here. Because this is definitely not a sink.
This is definitely not a sink.
It's toilet.
Yes, it's a
Very
toilet.
nice toilet.
It looks clean.
Over here we have more towels, and I think it's a towel warmer.
Oh,
Which is
cool.
So nice.
And down here we've got our very own bidet. I've never used a bidet before, but
When in Rome. I'm for it. And I love it because there's not only this paper, there's also some soaps, I think. Let's see.
but Parker, it's not a sink.
Yeah, okay, we got some intimate cleansers. So over here is the botanist and the chemist. Not sure what this brand is, but let's see how it smells. And what it feels like. Ooh. Oh, very floral. Oh my gosh. Actually really nice. Like not like overpowering. Let's wash our hands. Ooh. Oh my gosh, no, this is really, really nice. Let's see what the scents are for the shower gel. I'm assuming it might be all the same. Okay, floral as well, but like a different flower. I would say if this was like a rose, that's like a daisy. I would feel comfortable using this. Like it feels really nice. It smells really good. I would definitely use this.
Now it's time for the bed test. Okay, no, that was falling into a cloud. I like this room. I like this bed.
Let me try again.
I think I'm gonna have fun here. But let's go a little deeper. Yeah, mattress looks clean. No mattress protector. Always like to get those if they're on there. Sometimes you have to ask for them, but it's a comfy bed. It's a clean bed. Looking forward to the next 4 nights in this bed. One nice thing about this room is it has really good air conditioning. You can set it over here, right at the door, and you can cool down. There are a number of buildings and places within Rome without air conditioning. So when you get back to the room, you know you can cool down. It is such a relief. The hotel does offer a thorough buffet breakfast in the morning, providing everything you need to start the day: eggs, bacon, juice, pastry, fruit, Nutella, and of course, cappuccinos. It can get busy quickly and it can feel crowded, but the food quality and selection was 100% worth it. For drinks and coffee later in the day, there is a bar area located in the lobby. You won't find anything at the hotel for lunch or dinner, but with so many authentic restaurants a stone's throw away from the Republic Hotel, you won't have any issues finding a place to grab a slice of pizza or pasta or something else to bring back to your room.
Upon entering, the hotel's sleek design and friendly reception immediately set a welcoming tone, providing a modern flair in the heart of an ancient city. There is a 24/7 front desk, which isn't always the case for all hotels in Rome. This was especially beneficial for us as we arrived to check in after 10 p.m. The hotel offers luggage storage, assistance with ticketing and taxis, and always has someone on staff who can speak English, so communicating shouldn't be an issue. We've stayed at many European hotels that have long, windy staircases with no elevators. We're glad to say they have a very efficient, modern elevator for you to use. Also, if you're planning to drive, please note on-site parking is not offered by this hotel. And now, for how much we paid. A one-night stay in a superior room set us back €210, which is roughly 220 USD, or 310 Canadian dollars. Would you recommend the Republic Hotel? I think it depends. While the hotel was beautiful, the room was gorgeous and modern, and I did feel safe there, I find the hotel a little far away from those excursions that we had planned. And if it was just me and you, no problem. But with a 5-year-old, it took longer than 30 minutes to get to the Colosseum.
I would agree it can be long walks if you have kids with strollers, but it is also close to Termini Station, which allows you to hop the subway. The subway can be very crowded, but there are also lots of bus routes that come in and out of Termini, and we found the buses very efficient and very easy to figure out. The hotel itself, I like the rooms, I like the food. I also felt safe in the area, so I would recommend this hotel.
That's our look at the Republic Hotel in Rome.
If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more videos just like this.